Ladies and gentlemen, it's grilled eggplants time! Woo! This is a beautiful Mediterranean dish. Eggplants to the best. Simplicity at its best. And I'll show you how to do it. Easy, quick, delicious. Look how easy, look how simple. In no time, you can have a fantastic way to start dinner. It can be your dinner. You can put it next to the steak, on the bread. You can put it inside a panino. You can actually make pasta with this if you want. There's so much you can do with this. Look, grilled eggplant made in no time. And trust me, it tastes delicious. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where you get to learn how to grill eggplants like an Italian. Guys, do you know why Mediterranean food is the best? It's because it's made with fresh ingredients, and these fresh ingredients can make your belly very happy. I'm gonna show you how to make it, and this is how I love it, and I hope you will love it too. Let's make it together. We need a nice eggplant, a nice size eggplant, okay? We want some chopped parsley, a clove of garlic. You can use more if you love garlic. Salt and pepper. This is balsamic vinegar from Modena, like the drops, it's so like thick, you know? Extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of rocket salad. Now there are different ways for you to cut the eggplant, okay? You can cut the eggplant into circles, into strips. For this one, I'm gonna do circles, very easy, just like this. But you can do strips if you like, it's really up to you. I'm not gonna cut the eggplant too thick because otherwise it will take longer to cook. But this is good, you know, this is how much I want my eggplant, how thick I want my eggplant to be, okay? So it will cook fast and it won't be too chewy when I eat it. If you make a big chunk, sometimes it can be chewy, but my recommendation is, of course, to use a top quality eggplant. I always buy my fruit and veg from the market, and I never go wrong. Never. What we do now, we're gonna put the eggplants over here, and we just put salt everywhere, okay? Just put salt, 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 salt. Okay, here it is. And we just let it rest for maybe 5 minutes, okay? Just let it rest there. In the meantime, what we're gonna do is we are going to get 1 clove of garlic, okay? And we are going to crush the garlic in a glass, okay? Just crush the garlic in the glass. And I think 1 garlic clove is more than enough, you know, more than enough. What we're going to do now, we're gonna put a nice amount of extra virgin olive oil. I would say about 5-6 tablespoons. And then we're going to add the aceto balsamico, balsamic vinegar from Modena. See these drops, nice and thick? Be generous with the balsamic vinegar, and then you stir and make sure all the flavors make love together. Combine all the ingredients. We want to make sure the garlic goes everywhere. You know, this beautiful smell of balsamic should come out, you know. The garlic should be there to let you know, and the oil is the one that keeps everyone together. So make sure you stir, 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 and this is how you make an Italian dressing, a proper Italian dressing. Simplicity at its best. We have just a little bit of rocket just for decoration, okay? So I'm gonna add just 2 teaspoons of this beautiful dressing that we created, and quickly give the flavor to every single leaf. Perfect. That's how simple this is. Simplicity. Our eggplant have rested for about 5 minutes, and now they are ready to be grilled, okay? You can use a barbecue, you can use this skillet if you like, okay? And that's what I'm using. So we place the eggplant here, and we cook them until they're ready. So let's keep an eye on them on a medium-high heat. Now, when you cook eggplant, you always want to keep an eye on them, you know, just to make sure they are cooked and it's perfectly grilled. So we turn them around And the 70% of the job has been done. So now the other side will cook in less than 2 minutes. Of course, guys, if you're using charcoal barbecue, oh, it's so much better. The flavors of the charcoal are incredible. But the skillet does a very, very good job. And the dressing, it's the most important thing. Look how beautiful they are, see? So basically, in no time, we manage to grill. Look, ready to go. So we can put 4 more slices on this beautiful skillet. You know what this is? This is the eggplant dance. And again, look, in less than 2 minutes, our eggplant is done. Nice grilled eggplant. Mediterranean food at its best. Oh yeah. Now, see this slice here? It's large, it's thick. This is gonna take longer to cook, okay? So we're gonna keep this one there a bit longer, and I'm gonna show you now. All right, time to turn them. These are thick slices, okay? So it might take a little bit longer. See, look at this one, look at this one. Look how thick this one is. So feel free to press a little bit. The smell is nice. Look at this one, this is so thick. Oh wow, look, cooked beautifully. And here we have it, perfect. 2 more minutes and it will be done. Our beautiful grilled eggplants are done, so now it's time to decorate, to assemble everything. So I put the rocket here in the middle, so I can put the eggplants on top. And I'm gonna leave some just to put on top to decorate, okay? Now, we're going to put our beautiful eggplants over here. One on top of each other. One on top of each other. Oh, that's so beautiful. So moist. Nice color, what do you think? Do you like the color of this? Looks pretty nice, huh? What we're going to do now is, here we have a beautiful combination of extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and garlic. And starting from the top, from here, we want to spread it everywhere, okay? Start from the top, and then we go to one side here. So we work on one side. And here we work on the other side. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to make sure that the garlic doesn't get stuck on one piece, okay? I just want to make sure the garlic goes everywhere, okay? The garlic, it is important because it gives a nice kick. And here it is, look at the beautiful balsamic. Oh my God, look at the balsamic vinegar. Look how beautiful. And now, we just go crazy everywhere. Now that we know every single slice has the garlic, you just go crazy everywhere. Beautiful. Now what we do is just put some pepper, that's optional. I like to put pepper on my eggplant. You can put more green around. Feel free to add more green if you want to add more green. I like to put some parsley on top for decoration, just to give some extra color. And here we have it. A beautiful grilled eggplant made with love. And look how simple it is to make beautiful grilled eggplants. Look at that. This is nice antipasto, perfect for any time of the day. You can put this on a bruschetta, you can put this in a panino, or you can just have it the way it is. You can serve this alongside some steaks. This is delicious. It's perfect. Come on, guys. Make it too and enjoy dinner. Quick, easy, yummy. It's eating time. Time to cut it. Let's see if it's cooked properly. Now you can have this with bread. You can have a nice glass of white wine. Let's enjoy it. The garlic. The beautiful thick balsamic vinegar. Beautiful. I've got this beautiful explosion of aromas. I've got the oil. making my mouth smooth so I can put more in my mouth and it will be very smooth. Oh, let's have more. You know, guys, if you really love garlic, this is the best way to enjoy garlic with the balsamic vinegar, eggplants. I'm gonna keep some for tomorrow. I'm making a beautiful panino with prosciutto, with burrata cheese, and grilled eggplant. Oh, who wants some? Huh? Do you want some? I've never liked garlic so much. It's just perfect for this dish. Perfect! Thank you so much for watching this episode. We will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia! Vincenzo's Plate. Ooh, yeah!